Hi, this is Roger Eastlake, and in this video tutorial I am going to show you how to create a membership site using the simplest method out there, and basically free without all you really need is a hosting account. So in order to get started, you would log into your hosting account. You'd have a domain name or a host name, a website name, like I've got here at sandboxwp.com. I'm going to put a forward slash here and then type in CPANEL. Most hosting companies, especially the hosting company I use, HostGator or Bluehost or One-on-One, they should all have a cPanel, a control panel. In order to access that, you just type in CPANEL after the host name, after your website name, press enter, and that will get you into your. You'll have to log in, but then once you log into your HostGator site or into your cPanel, you'll see a screen something like this. For HostGator, you'll see exactly like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go down and use an automated method to install WordPress. I'm going to click on Quick Install right here. Over here I'm going to click on WordPress, and I'm going to click on Continue. Now I'm going to choose, since I have multiple websites on this one HostGator account, I'm going to go down and choose my testing site, Sandbox WP. Then I just need the administrator information, email, and blog title. So put that stuff in there and click on Install Now. And this is going to quickly install a full version of WordPress. It's going to tell me it's going to create a password for me. It's going to tell me what my password is, tell me the username is admin, and now to get into my website I'm just going to go ahead and click here. And now as you can see, it is a full-blown but basic install of WordPress. Okay, now to get into my site, I'm going to just, after the host name, I'm going to put a forward slash and then type in wp-admin, enter. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and log into the site. So it's admin, and then the password that they gave me. Okay, and that gets you into your site. So now you've got a site set up, right? Basic site. Thing is that anybody and everybody can see everything you do here. So when you publish another post or create another page, everybody's going to be able to see it. If you want to create a membership site where only certain people can get to it, then what we're going to do is we're going to restrict access to the directory, and that's very easily done in the cPanel. So I'm going to go back here to cPanel by clicking on back to cPanel, and I'm going to scroll down to, actually I'm going to do a Control F and type in password, PASSWORD, and hit enter. The second one that I get to is going to be password protect directories. I'm going to go ahead and click on password protect directories, and that is going to take me to the root of my test site. I'm going to click on OK, and there are lists of different directories that I have currently. I'm going to click on the root, which is the Sandbox WP. Go ahead and click on that. And now it gives me the opportunity to password protect this directory, so I'm going to check that box. Name of the protected directory. You can say something like my membership site. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and click on save. Okay, so now it is only accessible, now my blog is only accessible to users. So if you went back to my site right now and you hit F5 to refresh, it would be asking you for a login, and if you don't know that, then it's going to give you it's not going to let you in. It's just going to tell you authorization required. So we're going to go back here to the control panel, click on go back. we're going to go down here and create a username and a password. So for example, I could create one for myself and give it a password. You can do anything you want to. I'm doing like test 1 2 3 4 5. It says it's weak. You can do whatever you want. I'm going to click on Add Modify Authorized User, and okay, now I have an authorized user. My username is Roger, and the password is test 1 2 3 4 5. So if I go back to my website and hit refresh again, ask me for that authorization. I'm going to put in my username, which is Roger, and the password, which is test 1 2 3 4 5. And now I have access, but only people who have access who have been given access to it. If I wanted to create more users, I click on Go Back, and then I would just be able to create another user here and click on Add Modify, and then they would all appear here. If I wanted to delete somebody, I could click here and then click on Delete User. So this is the simplest method on how to create a membership site to restrict access to your blog or your content. This is Roger Eastlick. Have a great day.